Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to protect your website with Cloudflare free WAF. First, log into your account. Once inside, go and select the domain that you want to work with or the site. Now, once in, on the left panel, go to the security section and click on the drop down. Now, go to security rules. Here, we will make our own rule to secure your domain. Cloudflare's security rules protect website by filtering and controlling traffic to prevent attacks and abuse. WAF rules block common threats like SQL injection and XSS, while firewall and IP access rules allow or block traffic based on specific conditions such as IP, country, or URL. Now here, just click on the Create Rule button and select Custom Rules. Here, give it a name. Now for here, for the field, you can click on the drop down. For example, I want to block a country, so I'm just gonna select country. For the operator, select equals, and for the value, just select on the country that you want to block from your website. Once done, for this choose action, click on the drop down, then select block. Now, after that, you can go ahead and deploy it. And as you can see, your security rule is now created, which will make your domain or website more secure. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.